Hello, welcome to the Alkaline Chef. This is Douglas Dennis. Today we're cooking alkaline, vegan, crispy fried oyster mushrooms that we grew at home. So this is the grow kit. All you have to do is basically rip off that front and cut the plastic open in an X. And then the directions said to mess it up a little bit to wake up the mycelium. So just rough it up a little with a fork, and then we're going to soak this in water to get it going. So once and I'm not sure if you really have to do it to this extent or not. But this worked out really well actually. So here's the water. I'm just gonna throw it in here with that X facing down and leave it soaking in there for overnight. I heard that you don't necessarily have to soak it overnight, but we did. All right. Here we go, just wipe off the extra water. We're doing this inside, so we don't want to make too big of a mess. And then we'll just stick this right back inside the cardboard, but I guess you don't even need to. You could just have it sitting out as a block. All right, ready to grow. Now you just have to keep them wet and humid, and look at how fast they grow. That's each day, believe it or not. So this was in a matter of days. Look how big they got. These ones got huge. So that's quite a good pile of oysters, and look how big that one is. So harvesting them, it's really, really simple. All you have to do is you can just grab the clump and twist, or you could just use a knife. Very easy. Look at that giant chunk. Wow! Now all you have to do is cut the substrate off the very bottom, and you can cook those right up. And this particular time, this grew quite a lot out of that small kit. And look at this one, it's giant. So I'm just cutting the substrate off of the bottom because that's whatever it was growing on. And then you can keep them in a clump depending on what kind of recipe. So today we're making fried oyster mushrooms. So the batter is going to be spelt flour, chickpea flour, water, cayenne, onion powder, and sea salt. Then you just dip the mushrooms in there and pan fry in grapeseed oil. Now, if the mushrooms are wet for some reason before you're cooking them, dip them in dry chickpea flour first, and then the wet batter. And this is pretty simple, just cook until golden brown. And they should start getting crispy. Now we're just going to drain them so that they're not sitting in a pool of oil. And make sure to subscribe if you'd enjoy this. I have so many videos coming out, a lot of recipes already made, and here is what they look like. Looks good. The sauce is made out of agave, sesame seeds, cayenne, and sea salt. Very simple. So thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like this video and subscribe, I appreciate it a lot. I put a lot of time and effort into this, and I've been spending the last couple years developing an Alkaline Life transformation program. So if you want more energy, if you are in chronic pain or have a chronic illness, or if you're just a human, this could absolutely revolutionize and transform your life. Guaranteed. So this is a 12-week program where I personally coach you through an alkaline transformation. We've got everything from the food you eat, what you drink, what you're thinking, what you're doing, everything to help you reduce pain and feel much, much, much more energy. Not just an increased amount of energy. I'm talking about a revolution in your own personal health. So I went through this personally myself a couple years ago. If you've seen my other videos, I've talked about it a lot. Make sure if you want more info, reach out to me right away and get started in the group, because now is the time. Don't just let this situation pass you by and not get control of your health and life, because that's the most valuable thing you have in this world. So have an amazing day on purpose, and for those of you who are serious about making a transformation, I'll see you in the Life Transformation Program, and the link is in the description. Thank you so much. See you in the group and in the next video.